most of this discussion at governmental level. So I cannot disclose any details of private talks, but the main area what we are discussing with PIF and with other institutions about deploying capital in Ukraine and participation in clean tech, IT, agriculture, and energy sector. These are the priorities where we work together so that you be part of recovery of Ukraine. Just recently we have good meeting with CEO of Aqua Power, and that was discussion about opportunities in Ukraine and also European countries. The DTEK is developing projects in some of European countries today. We have operating assets. We have some solar and wind parks in development. We want to be very active in battery storage and flexible capacity investment in the grid. And we disclosed all these plans to Aqua Power and CEO of Aqua Power. And what we agreed is that we continue this dialogue at government level, because this decision should be made about government, at what intensity Aqua Power can deploy capital in Ukraine and European projects. I believe that it will bring very concrete results and concrete projects where we can work together with Aqua Power. We are looking forward for that.